Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the fingerprint animation on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So if you want an animation like this on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up Settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see Wallpaper and Personalization. From here, find the fingerprint effects, which looks like that. Now here, you can go ahead and choose all the different fingerprint effects which you can apply. So you can choose Neon, you can choose Starlight, you can choose Dream, or you can choose Iris. Now these are the 4 available fingerprint animations on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. Once you've selected, press Home, lock your screen, and when you unlock it, you'll see the animation on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on fingerprint animation on your Redmi Note 14 Pro.